So today we will learn how to make a virtual environment in Linux and start a Django project. So we will open cmd and go to a directory where we want to start our Django app. I will use my Django project directory, so I will go inside that, and for autocomplete you can use tab. So I will make one directory to install Django. It will basically create two directories because there is a space between them. So then I will go inside this directory, Django install. So you can see there is nothing inside this directory. So I will make a virtual environment of Python 3. Now if you can see, it has created a virtual environment with name env as environment. So I will activate this environment. This will basically activate this environment, and now I will go inside this environment, and you can see the pip list. So nothing is installed, but pip is installed, pip 9.0.1 version. So we will install Django long-term support version 0.2.2. It will install Django. Oh sorry, pip install double quote. So now if you see pip list, it will have Django installed, and you can make your new project by typing Django admin start project with any project name, test project. And if you want to start up new app inside it, you have to go inside this test project directory, and then you have to make sure that you are inside this folder where you have a test project app and manage.py. So you will make a new app by using Django admin start app with any name like blog app. So if it will create an app. So that's all. Before leaving, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and just click the bell icon and like this video if it will helpful to you. Thank you. मेरा ऑडेसिटी क्यों नहीं चल रहा अब?